Here now is Wanjiku Wanjiru with a roundup of news from the counties.
One of the groups that had been allocated land in the eastern Mau has called on the government to quicken their resettlement on their respective parcels, from which they were evicted by the government in the 1990s, as ordered by the court last month. Over 2,000 members from the Libop self-help group have said that since their eviction from the land and imposition of alarm bells on their title deeds, lives have economically and socially stagnated.
Tuko na genuine title deeds, hata zile stakabadhi zingine tuko nazo na ni genuine tulipewa na serikali. So tunashinda wakati mwingine kwamba kwa nini serikali lilikuwa linaongea upande huu kupitia idara zile zingine wanatufurusha na pande huu walikuwa wametupa.
Elsewhere, Mathare activists have called for a judicial review of all matters relating to femicide to ensure justice prevails.
When duty bearers are trying to run away from the reality, they are failing us. And we'll urge the women of Kenya to stand up, Kenyan, both also men who are allies of the movement. Let us walk this journey together to ensure that our life is safe.
The government has been urged to release schools' capitation on time in order to ease operations in schools and enable them to complete their projects. Speaking during a 5 kilometers walk event aimed at raising 63 million shillings for the construction of a new modern dining hall at Utafiti Comprehensive School, the school's head teacher Beatrice Kibiru said that the new facility will provide a conducive environment for students' meals and other activities.
If they release the capitation in good time, then we are in a position to even do most of the projects that are normally planned through the budget.
Vikas Chania Girls High School renamed MP Shah Chania Girls in a strategic move to attract sponsors, boost infrastructure, and restore lost glory. The name change honors the school's founder, Megji Petraj Shah, a renowned businessman and philanthropist who was passionate about supporting education and inspire growth and development.
We are very grateful because we used to have acute shortage of water and escalating bills, but now going forward, that has been addressed and we thank God for it.
And finally, men have been urged to be the role models in their families and the entire community in a bid to strengthen love and compassion. Bishop David Kamau said this during a competitive festival by a Catholic Men Association members drawn from the Archdiocese of Nairobi.
We know men are very strong, even the family. And when we have a group like this, men in our Catholic Church, we know that the Catholic Church is firm.
Wanjiku Wanjiru, KTN News, Nairobi.
Moving on.